Today I will be going over a word that I received from the Lord on December 4th, 2019. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, open door. 4:11 is birthing time. 4 and 7 months, completion, perfection. It's time. I am ruling in your favor. Get ready and stay ready. Eyes have not seen, no ears have heard. Can you not perceive the blessings I have released? Be at peace, your Father succeeds. Be still, the storm is soon over. Be at peace, be at peace. When I come, they all shall see. Selah. And this is part 2. Wedding bells are ringing. Can you hear them? Do you receive them? Do you perceive them? I know you do, because it is I who have showed you. Are you ready? Well, you better get ready. Think ready. I will make you ready. Keep your emotions steady, or you can't get it. But yes, I have blessed it. They will be jealous.